Hello everyone, welcome back to Right Shift with Pawan. In today's video, we are going to see how to set up any version of JDK and its path in Windows in under 3 minutes. I have added the download links in the description section below. Please check out if you want to have access to those links. Let's check the current Java version on my system, and you can do it by executing the command java hyphen hyphen version, and you can see that the term Java is not recognized, so there's no Java installed in my system. If you have any version of Java installed, you might find that version coming up when you type in java hyphen hyphen version. Let's dive right into the setup. Let's open the browser and search for JDK download. Once you search for JDK download, you get the official Oracle website for the Java downloads. Just need to click on that, and once that site is open, you can see there are multiple versions available: JDK 26, 25, 21, and you have multiple options to set it up on Linux, Mac OS or Windows. Since this is going to be a tutorial for Windows, I'll be choosing Windows, and you can choose any version of JDK 21, 25, 26. It will be the same format, and if you need previous versions, they are available below: Java 17, 11 and 8, and you can choose Windows again and download them. So now today we are not going to use installer or MSI, the .exe installer or the MSI installer. We are going to use the archive or zip file download, which is a very silent way and easy way to set up JDK. You just need to click on this link and the download will start. I'll be right back once the download is complete. The download is complete and we have the zip file. I have moved the zip file from the downloads folder to the tools directory where I set up all the tools. So once you have the zip file, all you need to do is right click and extract all. So once the extract is complete, we can see the directory of JDK 26 Windows available here like this. So upon completion of the extraction, once we open, we find the JDK 26 directory, which is a version that we have downloaded. When we open that, we find the bin directory. So now let's open up the bin directory and go to the Windows navigator and copy the path. Now the first part is done, the download is done. Now let's set up the path for Java. To set up the path variable, copy the Windows navigation path for the bin directory and open your settings and type in system, edit system environment variables, and you should be able to see a window pop up like this. You have to choose on the environment variables, and then in the user variables you have to go to path, open the path, click on new and add the path and click on OK, then OK, and we are done with the setup. Now the biggest mistake everyone does is they without reopening the command prompt, they again try java hyphen hyphen version and they get frustrated. You have to understand, once the path is set up, you have to reopen the command prompts. So let's reopen it. I've reopened a new command prompt and let's do java hyphen hyphen version. There you go. Now you have java 26 installed, and the same path for all the JDKs: Java, JDK 21, JDK 25, JDK 17, 8, anything that you use. If you have already an existing JDK version and you are confused how to upgrade it, please use an MSI or .exe installer versions available. If not, in the same system environment properties, you can find the path and remove the old path, upgrade or remove the old path or replace it with the latest path. If you have found this video or step-by-step guide to be simple, do like, share and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have more questions for troubleshooting the setup. Thank you for watching.